see what the guys are doing today. We got somebody on each side of the road. So I want to take it easy here. They're setting up something. Okay, now there's flashing lights here. And something's going on. They're staging. Well, folks, we saw them prepping before, and it looks like they're doing something along the bridge. We'll see if we can figure it out. I can see them scraping the road right where the asphalt ends and the concrete of the bridge bed begins. All right, looks like we've gotten the signal. Yep, there we go. I didn't see the fellow there directing traffic. Thank you very much. Be careful, be slow. Yeah. All right, they're digging out the dirt there at the joint. Okay. My guess is this is a yearly maintenance operation to prevent excess corrosion. Steve AB4, I'll just headed home, saying see you at 73.